What's up, what's up? You guys, Princess Jasmine was always one of my favorite, and of course, so I had to do a Halloween look that was Princess Jasmine, but that was just a little bit too plain for me, so, you know, had to do her tiger on the other half. So, I just got done taking some pictures. For those of you that don't know, the reason I have this top, people always ask me where I get all my costumes, but this one actually, I used to do belly dancing as like a form of like workout. And so like we had a performance one time, and so yeah, I still have this top from it. So only reason I have a, what's it called, a bustier. But this is a necklace. Obviously this is a wig. And then I styled it like Princess Jasmine's hair. And then these pants, y'all, I actually made them a long time ago. But I hope you guys like this. The tiger was very tricky to do, all of the markings and everything. But yeah, this was a really fun one. I haven't done one for a while. I've been like trying to stockpile a few, but I'm probably gonna be posting looks like probably every other day in October. So stay tuned for that. Let me know. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Oh my goodness, y'all, I got a big box. Yes, another Farmasi unboxing, and guess what, you guys? It is October, the most wonderful time of year. Sorry for all you Christmas lovers, I'm a Halloween lover. Keep my Facebook business page for all my crazy Halloween looks that I'm doing. So I have a couple like Halloween themed things that Farmasi came out with, and I'm super excited to share them, as well as a couple like more adult things that, you know, probably seem boring, but I'm really excited about. Okay, so look at how big this box is. Like, this is probably the biggest Farmasi box I've ever gotten. Like, what? Okay, you guys. I know I've talked about it a little bit before, but Farmasi did come out with a line called Mr. Wipes, and it is like a kind of a cleaner version of like cleaning products, meaning like there's not as many chemicals in them and everything. I don't know, like, detail wise, if you have questions, I can send you like ingredient things, anything like that. But I have been really digging their laundry detergent, because literally like even Joe has noticed a difference, like the smell and everything. Like when he like brings it up, he's like, this smells really good. Did we change our detergent? I'm like, yes, baby. So give that a try, and then you guys are gonna laugh at me because I'm like obsessed with the way the dish soap smells. So I got like 3 of these, like legit. Look at this, 3, yes. But I mean, when you get orders like this with my 50% discount, you guys, like, I want to say these are only like $3 or $4 and some cents. Like the dish soap, like what? Like, come on now. So definitely like check it out. If you're looking for something that's a little bit like more kid friendly, pet friendly, or you're just trying to avoid some chemicals, like that's kind of why I wanted to try them, because I'm trying to think more along the lines of like Asher is like running around touching everything now, everything like that. They have okay, so it has like this plastic wrap on it. Cut this part out. They wrap it up really good. But this is the fabric refreshener spray. You guys, it smells so good. Like, I'm trying to think of something I could compare it to. I don't know, just that fresh, like, you know how like that like dryer sheet smell, like when you're outside someone's house and you smell it coming out of that little, like, you know, the dryer stuff comes out like outside the house. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? Okay, well that, I feel like I always love that smell. I know that's weird, but it's just like that clean clothes smell, and it's just like that's what this reminds me of. And you can spray it like kind of like the Febreze, like, you know, like fabric refresher stuff. That's what this is taking the place of, and there's less chemicals in it, so I really love it. It's super potent too. You don't have to use very much, and because I used like 5 sprays, and you definitely only need like 1 or 2 sprays. Oh goodness. So if you have pets too, that's another thing. Like, it's really good. And then this one I have not tried yet, but I had seen this, and I had seen a couple of the ladies on my team using it, and they really liked it, so I wanted to try it. So I grabbed the Magic Sponge. So this is kind of like that, like Mr. Clean, like dry erase, not dry erase, but the magic eraser. There you go. Joe's helping me behind the camera there. So that's kind of what this is, and so I wanted to try one for myself and just see how comparable it is, and like I'm sure it probably smells just like the rest of the cleaning products. So I'm really excited to try that. Okay, and then this one right here, before I get to all the new good stuff, this is the baby soap. I know I've talked about this one before, but this is what we use on Asher for his baths. They have, their baby line has like shampoo, soap. I think it has a detangling spray now for your kiddos with longer hair. There's several other things. So if you click the link, my pharmacy link, you can look in the baby section. They have a ton of stuff, and I will say it's made Asher's skin super soft. Oh, the oil. They have a spray oil. Like you can just spray it on them, rub it down, like rub them down like after their bath, like makes their skin so like insanely soft. And then not only that, but it smells really like clean and soft. It's not like super potent or anything. I don't know. I've tried other scented stuff on Asher, and he's always broke out in red bumps and stuff. And so I was trying all the super expensive organic, like no smell type stuff. And I found one that finally worked, but it was really expensive. And then I decided to give the pharmacy baby line a try once I signed up with them. And I tried it, and literally like, it was like, it still had a nice scent to it, but at the same time, like it didn't break him out, and it made his skin really, really soft, and he had this dry patch on his cheek. Literally, like the dry patch went away after I started using the pharmacy stuff. So I don't think that's coincidence, but I'm just saying, it's good stuff. So this is the Rose Clay Mask. This was actually an incentive that I earned. So free product for like reaching a certain amount of personal volume, okay? So this Rose Clay Mask, I am super excited to use this. It's kind of, the rose line itself is to kind of help calm like red areas and balance the pH of your skin. Just, I use the rose face cream right now, but this is, next one here. This is the calendula, the cream, and like people have rant and raved about this stuff. I have a lady on my team that her daughter had really bad like psoriasis or eczema, but I have seen this stuff work wonders on like people that actually have like psoriasis and eczema. So definitely like look into some before and afters of these, because this stuff's insane. Like the healing powers of it are just crazy. Okay, you guys, this is what I was excited about. Yes, I'm excited about a Swiffer mom. Except it's not Swiffer, it's Mr. Wipes. I feel like an infomercial right now, but I'm like so freaking excited to try this. So I don't even think this is listed on the site yet, but this was an incentive for us to earn. Look at this, you guys, oh my God. Like it looks so much like the Swiffer, like this little Swiffer sweeper things. We were needing a new one anyways because ours broke. So this kind of just came out in like perfect time. And then these are the wipes here. It comes with these. So like I said, I don't know when these are going to be getting like launched on the site, but I will try to keep you guys informed. And then I will maybe do like, I'll try to figure out something fun to do with the cleaning products, so I'm not just making a cleaning video, because I mean, I know you guys don't want to watch me clean. But maybe I'll do a little dance with my Swiffer. Sorry guys. Oh Lord, I need help. Okay, you guys, who loves Hocus Pocus? Drop some comments and let me know if you're a Hocus Pocus lover, because I love me some Sanderson sisters. And that is what this palette reminds me of. Like it literally looks like the colors of the Sanderson sisters. Look at how pretty that is. And of course it's limited edition because it is a Halloween one. So it's the BOO-tiful trio. So then, like, look at those colors. So they're really, really shimmery. Oh my God, look at that. Like, look how pigmented those are. Are those not like gorgeous? Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so I will definitely have to do a look with that very, very soon. Okay, oh my gosh, drum roll, please. Yeah, you know. Look at this, you guys, pumpkin cinnamon, okay? That is what the new like scented line is. So let's see, I gotta figure out how to open it, y'all. Oh my God, I'm so excited. You guys, there's actual straw in it. Are you kidding me? Look at at how cute that comes. I'm so excited about this right now. I'm such a dork, you guys. Okay, body lotion, okay. Everything that comes in it here. Body mist. I'll give you a review on the smell. Hold on. Face mask. What? A pumpkin cinnamon face mask. Okay. All right. Hand cream. Look at how like small and compact. Pop it in your purse, right? Body wash. Good thing I'm just about out of my blood orange one. And a body scrub. Ah, oh my God. Okay, I have to show you this because I've seen pictures of this from other people getting theirs. Okay, well that took forever. I'm like, apparently can't figure out how to get this open. But look at how cute, like, it smells really, really good. So it's a really soft scent. Like, I was kind of worried because I'm not a huge, like, cinnamon person. I love pumpkin, not pumpkin coffee, though. Sorry for my pumpkin latte, pumpkin spice people. I'm not a huge fan of pumpkin spice. I'm more of a caramel person. But, so I'm not a huge fan of, like, cinnamon, like, scents, though. But I love, like, the scent of pumpkin. So I wanted to try this. But the cinnamon is very, very faint. It's not super strong. So if there's any of you that are like me that's like, oh, I don't really like cinnamon, this is still actually a really, really nice scent. I'm excited to use this. Let's see here. I want to smell the lotion, see if it's any different. So it is really, really lightweight. Yeah, it's the same thing. It almost has like a... Asher's over there playing. But it's really, really light, and it actually has like the slightest scent of like, sorry, I got a lot on my hand there. The slightest scent of like apple, almost. Apple in with the pumpkin and the cinnamon, but the cinnamon's probably like the lightest smell of it, which is great for me. I love that, seriously. Yeah, it all smells the same. Okay, sorry, I wanted to try a few things because, you know, it's like certain products they can smell just a little bit different depending on like textures and everything like that with it, but they all smell the same, and I'm like super pumped about this scent, you guys, because like, can you believe they put the straw in there with it? I'm like freaking out, y'all. Can you tell I like fall and October and all that good stuff? Okay, you guys, I hope you like had some fun with me in this video because I had a blast showing you this, and I have been like dying to open it. I got it yesterday, but I wanted to wait until I was able to film this to actually like open it and give you like first reaction. So there is all of my pumpkin cinnamon stuff, my trio, all the cleaning stuff. Let me know if you have questions. Drop comments down below if you have questions on anything, the cleaning stuff, the scent of this, anything like that, and I will definitely get back to you guys. Otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, evening, whenever you're watching this, and I will see you all next time. Hit that subscribe button before you leave. Bye!